Hi, Minuteman 6 here from Minuteman Precious Metals. It's July 12th, 2024 at approximately 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is our morning market update. Before we get started, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. I post new market video updates Monday through Friday, so just ring that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Gold is down $14.40 today to $2,401.71 at the time of filming during overnight trading. Silver is also down 63 cents to $30.78. The gold to silver ratio is up to 78.07. This overnight move down is on profit taking on the large upswing in metal prices that we saw yesterday on Thursday. Today, we anticipate the release of the Producers Price Index report. Watch to the end of the video for predictions on this important data point. Gold prices surged Thursday, past $2,400, as June CPI data revealed declining inflation. Silver also leaped higher, above the $31 mark. The Bureau of Labor Statistics' latest Consumer Price Index, or CPI report, was released yesterday. It showed a significant decline in inflation pressures for June. This marks the first decrease in consumer prices since early 2020. According to the report, the Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers, or CPIU, declined by 0.1% on a seasonally adjusted basis, after being unchanged in the May report. Over the last 12 months, the All Items Index increased 3% before seasonal adjustments. June CPI also dropped 0.1% following May's unchanged reading. This decline brought the annual headline inflation rate to 3%, its lowest in a year and considerably lower than May's 3.3 year-over-year figure. The results surpassed economists' expectations, as FactSet consistent estimates had predicted a 0.1 monthly increase and a 3.1% annual inflation gain. So why is this data important to us as gold and silver stackers? The declining CPI report provides the Federal Reserve with the additional evidence of waning inflation that Chairman Powell emphasized as a necessary component needed to begin cutting interest rates during his most recent congressional testimonies. The data suggests the Fed is getting closer to reaching its goal of bringing inflation to its 2% target. Lower interest rates have historically led to higher prices for gold and silver. Skylar Winand, Chief Investment Officer at Reagan Capital, suggests that this favorable CPI report could pave the way for the Federal Reserve to implement interest rate cuts as early as September, with a potential second cut in December, provided inflation continues to trend downward. Many analysts believe that another positive inflation report in August could prompt the Fed to ease its restrictive monetary policy with at least 2, possibly 3 rate cuts this year. This aligns more closely with the Fed's official projection from March, which anticipated 3 rate cuts in 2024. The most recent dot plot, however, has scaled back expectations to 1 or 2 cuts. I definitely want my viewers to take the more cautious line when it comes to calculating interest rate cuts and pushing gold and silver prices. If markets price in more rate cuts, gold and silver will move higher, but eventually there would be retracement if those cuts don't actually materialize. The impact of the CPI report on market sentiment regarding rate cuts was immediate and significant. The CME's FedWatch tool now forecasts a 92.7% probability of a rate cut at the September FOMC meeting, with an 84.6% chance of a quarter-point cut and an 8.1% likelihood of a half-point reduction. As mentioned, the gold and silver markets responded positively to the news, with gold surging past $2,400 and silver moving above the $31 mark. Today brings the last data point of the week, the Producers Price Index report, which is anticipated to reveal a slight increase of 0.2% for June, up from May's 0.1% rise. We will see if that comes in line with estimates and how that affects markets. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. You may be interested in my new video, Is $3,000 gold a mid-rally target? I review the opinions of analyst David Brady on gold's near and long-term price targets. I'll attach that video link here. Be sure to check out Minuteman Precious Metals for market updates and analysis. Thanks and have a great day.